Hello ladies and gentlemen, as usual you are always welcome to CpplusPlus computer tutorials. As usual, I'm Jevizo Oj official. In this video we are going to proceed our practical exercise about single dimensional array. This is a practical exercise number 2. We are going to write a C++ program to print, just first of all to read and print array elements by using user input, right? By using user input to mean instead of making initialization, we are going to use user input, right? So without spending much more time, let's get started. Yeah, of course, as usual, we need to start with array declaration int a5 to mean here our array name is a, and then the type is the integer where the size is 5, right? So now after this, let us create loop for int I, which is equal to 0, and then I must be less than or equal to 4, and then I must be increment from 1 to 4, right? I hope everyone is aware of the main parts of a loop. Then after this one, we need now to write a statement, ask a user to enter an array element. Shout enter, like this, enter, then element position is here I plus 1, because we know that I starts from 0. That's why for position 1 we need to write 0 plus 1 to mean position 1, right? And then here element to mean like enter first element or second element. That's why here we need to write element here like this. Then new line like this one. And then after this, also we need to read these elements. Cin our array name is a, and then our index is I, like this one. Then after reading this array element, now let us print out them. Here to print them also we need to create another loop. This one is for read elements or inserting array elements, but let us create another one to display those elements. So also we need to use a for int I, which is equal to 0. I must be less than or equal to 4, and also I here must be increment. Then here we need now to create a shout statement for print an array element, but here you can just write statement says that shout array element elements array, like this one. Then here new line like this one, and then I create for loop to print those elements. Here we need to write shout like this AI like this, and then space like this one, and then semicolon. But we just, yeah, this one I think it's enough. So this is how you can read and print array elements by using user input. So let us make compilation to check for errors. First of all, let us check. You see there is no error. Let us now learn to check for an output. Yeah, this is our form. Ask us first of all to enter a first element. As you see, it's just here first element. So let us put here space in order to delete this concatenation and to create space here. Then compilation again to check for errors, and then learn it to check for an output. You see this one. Yeah, now after this one, let us enter first element. Let us enter like a 10, second element 20, 13, 40, and last one 15. And as you see, the array elements are this one, right? So this is a simple way of how you can read and print array elements by using user input. So thank you for watching this video. This is practical exercise number 2 about user input in single dimensional array. If you are in here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question or idea, please don't hesitate yourself. Let us know in the comment section. So see you in the next practical exercise, where we will deal with reverse elements, how to print elements in a reverse way. So see you soon.